Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Education Report. Today we talk about learning English in daily life and how small daily habits can improve speaking and communication skills. This report is in slow and easy English for learners around the world. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. English is one of the most widely used languages in the world. Millions of people study English every day for education, jobs, travel, and communication. But many learners ask an important question: how can I improve my English? Experts say the answer is simple: practice English every day in daily life. Part 2. Start with small habits. Teachers say learners should begin with small habits. For example, students can learn 5 new words every day. They can also practice simple English sentences at home. Some learners speak English while cooking, walking, or studying. Experts believe daily practice is more important than perfect grammar. Part 3. Speaking English every day. Many learners understand English but feel afraid to speak. Teachers say this fear is normal. Making mistakes is part of learning. Students should practice speaking slowly and clearly. For example, how are you? What are you doing? I am learning English. Simple sentence help build confidence. Part 4. Listening practice. Listening is also very important. Experts encourage learners to listen to English programs, podcasts, and videos every day. Listening helps students improve pronunciation and understanding. Some learners watch English news or education videos with subtitles. This method helps learners understand real English conversations. Part 5. Technology and Language Learning. Technology has changed education around the world. Today, students can learn English using mobile phones, apps, and online videos. Educational platforms makes learning easier and faster. However, teachers say students should avoid distractions while studying online. Focus and discipline are important for success. Part 6. Learning through real life. Experts say learners should use English in real life situations. For example, ordering food, shopping, talking to friends, asking questions. Using English in daily life improves communication skills naturally. Practice creates confidence. Learners, teachers say patience is very important. Learning English takes time. Students should not compare themselves with others. Every learner improves step by step. Daily effort creates long-term success. You have been listening to Education Report. Thank you for joining us today. Continue practicing English every day and never stop learning. Please like, share and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.